Hello, welcome back to the channel. Yes, please consider subscribing. You can take the first 2 seconds and press the subscribe button. Yes, thank you for subscribing. Yes, now let's continue on this series and we'll look at the currency conversion. So it says first letter of your first name. My first name is Daniel, so the first letter is D. I just write D there. Second letter of your first name is Daniel, D-A. Second letter. First letter of the last name is G, is Gidua G, and I. So those are my first, second, yes, for the first name, and first and second letter for the last name. So then we choose the country that starts with letter D. So we'll come down here, the letter D, and we can use Denmark. Yes, Denmark. So just come here and write Denmark. A, we have A, so our A I can use, let me use Australia. Australia. Then we can go to G. G we have, let's use Georgia. Yes, Georgia. And we have I. We can use, I think I will be good for, let's use Indonesia. Indonesia. Yes, the day that you looked up. Now we can now click on having the countries. We can now click on their on this link to find the exchange rate. But before we do that, we can, since we are doing this assignment today is on, the date is 1 21 2026 1 21 2026. So this today I will be it's today that I will be looking for those conversion, the exchange rate, sorry. So it's 21 2026 and 1 21 2026. Yes, before we do that, let's look for country code. For Denmark is DK, D double K, Denmark. Then for Australia is AUD, AUD, Australia, AUD. Then we have G for Georgia, and seeing it as GLE, GEL. And then we have Indonesia. Indonesia is IDR. Yes, now to find this conversion rate, the exchange rate, sorry, we just click on this link and it will direct us to where we'll be finding those rings. So we want to convert from $1, you can see here, isn't it, for the currency at least 3 significant or exact rate there. So we are converting $1 to this currency. So let's start with Denmark to Denmark. So from to, let's find DK, Danish krone. Yes, it should give us. Yes, it has given us. It's 1 USD is equals to 6,371. So we just use this value. This is in 3 decimal places, so we come here and the first one we just put it there. Then we go for again we find for Audi Australian dollar. I don't know it's hanging. Let's wait for it to. As I wait for it, we want to do part this part. I think it's back online. Yes, now we are doing for Australian dollar and it's 140. Yes, it will be around 145. So instead of it's 5, we change it to 5 for the dollar here. So it will be 5 there. Then we go for GLE. For Georgia, and it's 2.691. And finally we do for the IDR ID Indonesia, and it's yes, and that's how we find the exchange rate. Now the next step is to convert into the country's currency. So to convert that into the currency, we just put equal sign. Then we have the dollar that we have, this dollar here. Remember to lock it by pressing F4 so that you can be able to copy it across the row. Then this value we're multiplying it by the exchange rates. And don't mind that the appearance is so. This one I had set it like that, so it will appear like that for almost all. You see it appears the same. But now let's change them to convert them to the country, the currency of the country. So instead of PLN, it should be DKK. So we just come to currency, press on currency, more number formats, currency here, and come to symbol, we find for DKK. So we just come and find DK. We have ABC, this one. So and okay. So you can see this is the same as this one, this country code. Same thing applies to this one. I will have to convert it. So I just go direct there. And then instead of this symbol, I want AUD. AUD it's up here. And it's here. Press OK. You see it changes. Then we want it to be GEL. So we come find for GEL. And see it there, here. Okay. And you can see they're all in 2 decimal places. And then last 3, this one, want it to be in IDR. So I is up here after G here. Okay, so and that's how we convert the into the currency and with the currency code here. That's how you do it. Then the last part is to convert in low 4 104 to US dollars. How do you convert US dollars? So you just press equal the value here D, this one. Okay, rock it also. Then we are going to multiply by 1 over this value since we are converting it to dollars. Yes, and then drag it. Yes, and that's how we convert it. Sorry, we are using the other value. Sorry, this value, this one here. Yes, yes, and that's how we do the conversion into this, and that is it. That's how you convert it to. Yes, and also check that the currency is two decimal places. Yes, thank you for watching. Yes, and yeah, subscribe for more. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, in case you have any inquiry, let me know. Thank you. See you soon.